Hi, scientist friends! Doggo and I are so excited to have you back in the Beakerz lab. Today, we are going to use the scientific method to talk about water. I love water. When I'm thirsty, I drink water. When I want to have fun, I swim in water. I love to splash in puddles of water. When I'm dirty, I wash in water. Today, we're going to talk about how strong water is. So, water is also fun. I want you to meet my friend Water Molecule. Hi, Water Molecule, and her other friend, Water Molecule. Hi, Water Molecule. Their favorite thing to do is to stick together. They like to hold hands. Can you show me how they like to hold hands? Yes, just like this. And when they do that, in science, we call this cohesion. Can you say cohesion? Great. They stick together, they hold hands, and they do it really tight. And when they do this, they create a surface. Can you show me a surface? Great. When you see the top of a swimming pool, that's called the surface of the swimming pool. They are holding on tight and creating a surface. They create surface tension so that something that might normally sink, like a bug, can now walk on top of it. How cool is that? Can I walk on top of the water? I don't think so. If I try, I break that surface tension. They can't hold on anymore. They let go. And Professor Beakerz sinks to the bottom. But today we're going to do our experiment to see how many drops of water we can fit on top of this penny before the water molecules break and let go. Are you ready to experiment? Get your safety goggles, your science apron, mom, dad, or another adult, and let's go experiment. Experiment time! Are you ready to experiment? Let's go. Doggo and I are going to see how many drops of water we can fit on top of our penny. Remember, water likes to stick together. Cohesion. Let's say that one more time. Cohesion. So grab your pipette. This is our scientific tool for the day. You want to take the top of your pipette, squeeze it, put it in your cup of water, and then release the top so it will pick up your water. Isn't that cool? Now bring it over to the top of your penny, and one at a time, we're going to drop water. Let's count together. Wait, our scientific method. Step number 1, how many drops of water can we fit on top of the penny? Step number 2, what is our very best guess? I'm gonna guess, I'm not gonna say, but I'm gonna write it down and you write down your guess. Okay, here we go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if you notice, there are 7 drops, but I only see 1 drop. How is that? Well, our water drops like to hold hands, remember? So we only see 1 big drop because they stick together. Cohesion. Let's say that again. Cohesion. Very good. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I ran out of water. I need more. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 drops. What have we formed here? We formed a surface. They're holding on so tight. They're doing a great job. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 drops, but I just see 1 huge drop. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. It broke. They finally let go. But the water did such a good job. Let's give it a hand. Yay! Great job today, guys. You learned about cohesion and surface tension. And next week, we're going to do another experiment with surface tension. And I look forward to seeing you. Bye.